You guys, I wish you could have seen it. The bird was perched right there, but he had his wings completely extended. When I tell you he was wider than a yardstick, I thought it was a friggin' statue sitting on the friggin' fence. Guys, what's going on right here? Why are all these birds right here, my boys? Why are all these birds right here? Oh, there's a dead animal right there. Now I see it. Now I'm up on the clothes. Oh, you seen that body roll. He said, bitch, what are you looking at? I'm trying to eat, though. So they must be turkey vultures, too.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. You can tell those two are guys since they're redhead and I know when they're women.
Oh, he extended it. Oh, look at him. He is showing off, ain't he, though? Mm-hmm. Look at him. I'm going to back up so y'all can see. Ooh, wee. I'm gonna back up so y'all can see them fully extended. Hopefully they'll do it again. It's both scary and beautiful. Wow. I hope he don't disturb him. There's a guy walking out. He getting on the thing too. Y'all know ain't nothing private no more. He on there. Look, but now they're all facing that way. Did you see that? Mm-hmm. They were looking this way before. Then this gentleman here started walking. Then every last one of them that's on the fence turned around to face the direction the man was walking in. These birds ain't gonna play with y'all. If y'all have not read the book Birds, y'all gonna want to look at this right here and go and pick up a book and educate yourself real quick. Go educate yourself real quick. One thing about that one right there though, he gonna eat. He said, I don't care who's walking, driving, I'm gonna eat. I just wish he would extend his wings again so you guys could see it. Oh my God, they gotta be them turkey vultures. But look at how they're all lined up, my boys. They said, what you're not gonna do is creep up on us. You're not gonna creep up on us. There they go. Look how pretty. Mother Nature at its finest, guys. Wow, how pretty.